Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys. So welcome back with my channel. So in this day, happy Ramadan. I wanna give to you IT tutorial that is not in Cisco. That is the material is in CNA. Yeah. So before go to the lab or configuration. So I wanna tell little bit what is NAT. That introduction, okay? So let's start. That NAT is network address translation. NAT. N is network, A is address, and T is translation. That is a way to manage private and public IP a private IP and public IP, where the main function of this net is to change the private IP on a LAN into a public IP. So that the LAN can access the internet. NAT is how work NAT on the router and firewall device, which must have public IP and private IP. Later, if the private IP want to go to the internet, the router will change the private IP to the public IP that he has. So uh, on on the Cisco router, there are two NAT. The name is static NAT, and the second is dynamic NAT. So in this time, I wanna give tutorial is static NAT. Okay, you must step by step follow me. Okay, you want know the how the configuration. Not let's start the configuration. Okay. The first is you open Cisco packet tracer. Okay, if already open yes. If already open Cisco packet tracer, you uh, add the server. Yes, if you don't know, this the server. I usually using this the server. You put in here. That up to you. You want put in where? Okay. So the second is you add the root to router in behind server. Yes, I use type is 280 11 2000 sorry 2811. Then if already at the router, you go to switch add the switch for the connection. I usually use this hub switch 2950 min 24. If already you add three client, you can add two or three that up to you, but in this static or this tutorial, I wanna add three client. Okay, wait, check. Okay, sorry. Okay, ready? Yes, you can add the client as PC or laptop. You can, but I usually using PC. Add this. Okay, this is remove first. Before that, uh, I wrote my task. If ready, don't forget your connection cable. The first, I usually using automatic cable. Okay, the first I connect switch go to client. That will up to you. If one go to server first, it's okay. But I usually Switch go to client first, okay? If ready, router go to switch, and then router go to router, and already router go to server. Okay, this topology, the short topology is like this. So good, right? So if ready, the first configuration is you go to router 2, or you can name as router public, right? Router public. Okay. Wait. Udah? Okay. Okay. You go to this, the router public, or router 2. You go to CLI. Of course, you right now. Ready you enable configuration terminal. The first, you don't forget active the interface. The first, you go to interface 0/1, go to the server, okay? NTFA 0/1, no shutdown. Okay, don't forget add the IP. The example, I add the IP as an example one. Okay, right. The example IP. Okay, IP address example 23.23.23.1, because that is what the name I forget, bro. Guess that the gateway. Okay, and don't forget the subnet max 255.0. Ready? So you go to the interface 0/0, go to the router 1. Don't forget the active first. Okay, ENTFR 0/0. No shutdown. Don't forget at the IP address. Example is what, right? Example using 50.15.15.2. Don't forget subnet max 255, 455, 255.0. If ready, you move the router 1. Go to CLI. No, then enable configuration terminal. Then the first, you the active turn on first the interface 0/1. Go to the router and server NTFA 0/1, and then don't forget no shutdown. This already green the color. It's already. You don't forget add the IP address 15.15.15.1. The subnet maxnya don't forget. Wait. The microphone very small. Okay. Don't forget the subnet max 255.255.0. Okay, if already you the third, go to interface 0/0, go to serve to switch. Okay, don't forget the NTFA 0/0. Okay, NTFA you must not don't wrong, because if wrong like that, insert input detect at what the name I do. No. And no shutdown. Just already turn on the way. Check. Okay. It already turn on. So if already, don't forget add the IP address, IP gateway, that because better three client at the IP sub. The example are using IP 192.168.1. 10.1 because the gateway. Then don't forget the subnet max. 255.255.1 and point zero. If already, what the name? I forget guys. Nah, yeah, I know. Okay, this there is configuration file. Okay, you add the IP NAT. Where? In the router go to switch. Okay, you exit first, and then IP NAT inside search. You at IP at the IP client like this, right? Yes, you add the IP. You add the NAT for the translate IP address area inside. The configuration in app that is we change the IP private the example like that 192.168.10.2 for the that the finally is IP public the example IP address is 55 15.15.3 that for static. Okay, so yeah, like that. IP not inside search 192.168.10.2. Oh yeah, I forget this. You add first the IP client, the static 192.168.10.2 subnet max. Don't forget the 2055.0. Then the gateway is 192 168.10.1 because this is the gateway. The DNS you can use 00 or 88 you can, but I using 0.0. Then continue go to the client to add the IP configuration IP address 192 is 168.10.3 subtracts and this time the gateway 192.168.10.1. That is ready. You go to the client, last client. Okay. 192, 168.10.4. Subnet max still same, and then the gateway don't forget. Same the previously. Then the gateway is one. Ready the goals is yeah, don't forget you register first the IP not inside source because I wanna register the client one or PC3 I wanna register this and don't forget add the IP public 15.15.15 point example point 3 okay hey wait maybe I'm wrong. Yes, because in this material static, so I forget add the static. After IP net inside source, you add static and IP address. It's there two and the IP public 15.15.15.3. Nah, that's ready. That's already. Don't forget you add the IP route. IP route 0.0.0 and then get go to IP router 15.15.2 is 15.15.15.2. That is ready. You don't forget at the IP not inside. Just that 0/0. Okay. Good. By this interface 0/0 it is inside. So you can add the at first you add the interface f 0/0, then add the IP not inside. Because we want to go to the PC. If ready, you go to the interface ZFA 0/1 for the outside, for the way outside. IP not outside. Ah, yes, it's ready. Okay, okay, it's ready. You can try ping for PC. Wow, PC1 go to server. You can go to desktop and command prompt. Ping, ping ini ya. Oh yes, don't forget add the IP address in here. Okay, you already add the IP right? But the IP go to server, the gateway is 23.23.1. So in the server, I using IP 23.23.23.2. The gateway, don't forget slash slash 24. And then don't forget the default gateway is 20.23.23.1. Okay, if ready, you can this because this for the fast. Then go to command prompt. Then you ping from client 1 go to server. So ping 23.23.23.2. Okay, the first time you RTO or request timeout because that uh, still running, right? You can waiting first. Okay, you can repeat again. Yes, can repeat from. So the goal is the client one can ping server, but the other client cannot ping. For example, I ping client to ping server that cannot or failed. Then so try client 3 can or no in progress failed, but client 1 can ping server because the client 1 already registered. So you can try this IP na okay enable configuration terminal then so if you can ping server 2 and server 3 go to server you must register first like IP not inside search static 192.158.10.3 and then don't forget the IP public 15.15.15.10.3. Nah, then it's ready. You so let's try. Nah, this successful. So I register the IP not inside source static. IP last client is 10.4. Oh, don't forget the IP public. If ready, you can try. They're successful. So yeah, the goal is you can ping because you must register first. This client, PC client one to server. You register in the router one. Go to switch. Okay. Yeah. Finally go. Okay. Successful. Okay, maybe that's all from me for the tutorial. Not maybe next day or next time. I make it make it video again. Okay, let's say Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Keep sweat and keep your promoting fasting. Thank you.